Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Admiral Naveed Ashraf, Chief of the Naval Staff, former Chiefs of the Naval Staff, Flag Officers, Commandant, Pakistan Naval Academy, Defence Minister Khwaja Muhammad Asif, foreign delegates, Excellencies, distinguished guests, officers, midshipmen, and cadets on parade, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. I am delighted to join you all at the prestigious Pakistan Naval Academy to review the commissioning parade of the 125th Midshipmen and 33rd Short Service Commission Course. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all graduating cadets on the successful completion of your rigorous training and your transition into commissioned service as officers of the Pakistan Navy. I am particularly delighted to see young officers from our brotherly countries Turkey, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Iraq, Sri Lanka and Djibouti on parade today. I am confident that the knowledge, training and professional experience acquired at this esteemed training institution will prove very valuable to them throughout their careers, and they will contribute meaningfully to the operational effectiveness of their respective navies. Most importantly, I pray that the pleasant memories and the special friendship that they have forged during their stay in Pakistan will endure and serve as lasting ties that unite our friendly nations. Distinguished cadets, I am delighted to see your families and friends among us today. Their prayers, sacrifices, patience and support have contributed immensely to your achievements, and they will continue to remain your great strength as you embark upon your noble career in the service of Pakistan and, of course, the Pakistan Navy. I commend the Commandant, faculty and training staff of this illustrious institution for imparting the highest standards of professionalism, discipline and outstanding leadership. I am confident that the officers commissioned today will leave these grounds equipped not only with knowledge and skills, but also with great confidence, resilience and fighting spirit required to meet future challenges and uphold the finest traditions of their respective navies. Dear guests, my address at this prestigious academy takes place in the backdrop of monumental global developments that are affecting our lives in ways unimaginable before. Today, with Allah's blessings, Pakistan stands proud as a peacemaker in the Committee of Nations. Pakistan's sincere mediation efforts with the support of brotherly and friendly countries led to the historic signing of the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding between the United States and the Islamic Republic of Iran, which I also had the honor of signing as mediator. I pay special tribute to Chief of Defence Forces and Chief of the Army Staff, Field Marshal Sayyid for his untiring efforts, spending day and night and leaving no stone unturned to bring all parties together to follow the path of peace and tranquility. The recent visit of President Dr. Masood Pezeshkian of Iran to Pakistan was not only a manifestation of the strong brotherly ties between Pakistan and Iran, but also an acknowledgement of Pakistan's important role to promote peace in the region. Dear officers, the evolving regional situation has highlighted more than anything else the importance of maritime security for the global economy and international supply chains. Today, the right of free passage and freedom of navigation are no longer luxuries, but have become an absolute necessity for the entire world. My government remains fully committed to strengthening Pakistan Navy as a potent and effective force, one that is not only capable of ensuring our national defense, but also of acting as a stabilizing force in the wider maritime region. This strategic force has produced tangible operational results as demonstrated by Pakistan Navy during Mark-i-Haq and Operation Bunyan Marsus. Pakistan Navy successfully deterred and denied access to a numerically superior adversary within our area of operations and kept it at bay throughout the conflict. I would also like to commend the remarkable efforts of Operation Mahafaz, which has ensured the uninterrupted flow of critical energy supplies to our ports amid a challenging regional security environment. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is navigating complex and multifaceted security challenges marked by a dangerous combination of international and external threats. Our eastern neighbor, having suffered a humiliating setback during the 4-day conflict in May last year, has increasingly resorted to covert tactics and use of proxies in an attempt to undermine the hard-earned peace and stability of our country. At the same time, our valiant armed forces continue to confront the menace of foreign-sponsored terrorism emanating from our western borders. The entire Pakistani nation stands shoulder to shoulder with its brave armed forces. The entire country remains steadfast in its iron resolve to defeat the nefarious designs of our enemies while continuing to pursue peace, dialogue, and diplomacy to address all outstanding disputes. Let me say this with full authority at my command, that Pakistan remains resolute in its unwavering commitment to advocating the just cause of its Kashmiri brothers and sisters, as well as brothers and sisters in Gaza and Palestine. Dear officers, you are joining the Pakistan Navy at a time of profound transformation and unprecedented opportunities. As the maritime domain evolves, the Navy is embracing cutting-edge technologies, artificial intelligence, and unmanned systems to meet emerging challenges across the seas and beyond. You are the custodians of a proud legacy forged by legendary naval heroes such as Commodore S.M. Anwar, Commander Zafar Muhammad Khan, and Vice Admiral Ahmed Tasneem, whose courage, sacrifice, and professional excellence brought honor to Pakistan. And as you carry this legacy forward, remain steadfast in the values of commitment, courage, discipline, integrity, and loyalty, and strive to make the Pakistan Navy stronger and more distinguished than you found it. As I conclude, let me once again congratulate you on reaching this important milestone in your life. I would particularly like to congratulate Midshipman Umar Mukhtar and Midshipman Hadi Abbas Khan for winning the coveted Sword of Honor and Academy's Dirk respectively. Your glorious achievements reflect perseverance, hard work, and professional excellence and are truly commendable. I also congratulate Main Top Squadron for winning the Proficiency Banner. My dear midshipmen and officers of the Short Service Commission Course, the rank you wear on your shoulders today carries immense responsibility, and as you embark upon this very noble profession, always remember that calm waters do not test a sailor, nor do fair winds define a captain. It is the rough seas and strong winds that test one's mettle. In such critical moments, your character, courage, and sense of duty will be your greatest compass. I am absolutely confident that you will navigate every challenge with grit, determination, and resolve, that you will uphold the honor and dignity of your illustrious service, and that regardless of how turbulent the seas may become, you will remain steadfast in your duty to Pakistan under all circumstances. For there can be no greater honor and privilege than serving your motherland with unwavering determination. I thank you all. Pakistan Navy, Zindabad, Pakistan, Paindabad.